Hey everyone. I want to say thank you to everyone who liked, shared, commented, and reposted our most recent video. We wanted to come on out here and address some questions about this uh, yarn bobbin stand 3D print. There are a lot of comments over 4 social media accounts, so please bear with us as we try to hopefully answer all your questions. Starting with number 1, STL file. We are currently in the works to share it on MakerWorld. It's a learning curve for us, and hubby, the one who designed all of this, um, has a full-time job, and he is the one taking lead on this project. So, again, please be patient with us. 2, selling physical products. At this time, we do not have plans to sell physical products on the internet. Why? First, we only have one 3D printer. We would have to stop everything to meet the demand we are seeing right this minute. Second, we are an active duty military family, and keeping physical stock is not ideal for our current lifestyle. Third, websites like Etsy suck for sellers, and again, not ideal for our current lifestyle. Lastly, while we see the demand right this moment, we don't know how long the demand will last. We do, however, plan to sell them at markets when we are scheduled to do them. And we will be sharing that when we have the information and we can share it. 3 is the design. Some of you made suggestions on either adding a hole or a slit to hold the yarn in place when winding or not in use. We liked the idea so much that my husband is sitting right next to me working on that concept to the design. So we are in works on that as I am literally talking to you guys right now. Hopefully that answered the bulk of the questions we received. Also, hubby is going to start his own Instagram account soon for all of his crafts and shenanigans. We will share that very soon once we have it up and running. But in the meantime, that's all the information I have. If you have more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. We're going to do our best to get this out onto MakerWorld, hopefully this weekend. Uh, and I am sorry for those of you who don't have a 3D printer and want one of these. We just do not have it in the plans to sell these on the internet. But until next time, happy crafting.